Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is AG Update. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to increase your Zetachain interaction for potential reward at the end. So this is mainly for those of you that are into Zetachain airdrop for potential reward in the future. So there is a program between OKX exchange and Zetachain. So this is under the Cryptopedia. I'm going to show you guys how to perform this and increase your chance of getting a Zetachain reward in the future. So for those of you that don't have any idea about Zetachain, if you don't know the genesis of Zetachain, I'm going to drop a video link at the description of this video. So please make sure to watch it to see how you can get started on Zetachain. So after watching the video, you can get back to this video to complete these tasks using OKX exchange. So Zetachain is a campaign that started last year, and surely guys, this project might launch 2024. So please make sure to participate in it because the points and the interaction is going to count for an airdrop reward. So please make sure to be active on this. Within 5 minutes you can just perform some tasks, then you are good to go. So guys, like I said, OKX exchange and Zetachain partnered to bring up some easy tasks for you to perform that will help you in getting a potential reward once the Zetachain token goes live. So and for you to perform these tasks, what you need to do, you need to have an account on OKX exchange. And for those of you that don't have an account on OKX exchange, I'm going to drop a link at the description of this video. Please make sure to use my link so that you can get an OKX exchange app. So I'm going to drop the code as well. Looking on the screen, this is the code. You can use it as well. So after downloading the OKX app, you can use any valid document to verify your KYC. So if you click here, guys, if you click here, you're going to see option for you to verify your KYC. So you can use any valid document. You're going to see the list of valid documents that you need to use to verify your OKX exchange wallet, what have you. So now guys, after doing that, what you need to do is to click on wallet. So you can see on the screen, guys, just make sure to click on wallet. So after you click on wallet, it is going to show you something like Web3. What you need to do, your MetaMask seed phrase you use in participating in the Zetachain campaign. Those of you that are into Zetachain and you use MetaMask in connecting to your Twitter, then connecting to the Zetachain website, please make sure to copy the seed phrase and bring it to this wallet section. You are going to see option for create or import. Just click on import, then you import the seed phrase. So you can see I imported my MetaMask seed phrase and this is my balance. So after doing this, what you need to do now is to click on discover. So just click on discover for those of you that want to use the app. So you just click on discover. After clicking on discover, then you're going to see Cryptopedia. So you can click here so that you can see everything, or you can just do it like this. So now you're going to see N reward in Testnet. You can click here to see everything if you want. So you can see that of Polyhedra tax is on. I'm going to make a video about this because I also talked about Polyhedra, how to participate in the airdrop campaign. I talked about Averve recently. Now you can see Zetachain. So if you click on Zetachain, it's going to bring you here. Now what you need to do is to perform all these tasks. Okay, so you can see ZKME, you can see Lens, you can see Eddy Finance. And for you to perform any task, you are going to get an NFT as reward. And this NFT might serve as a criteria. So after performing these tasks, you are going to get like 4 NFT. And for you to start, first of all, you need to get Zeta Testnet in your wallet. So how can you get Zeta Testnet? If you click on deposit, then you can see I already have Zetachain. If you click on deposit, it is going to take you to lab.zeta blah blah blah. So now what you need to do, you need to click on verify your account. After clicking on verify account, you click on verify with Twitter. So just click on verify with Twitter. Then it's going to take you to a Twitter page for you to log in your Twitter. So the Twitter you use in participating in this account. So sorry for using Twitter X, but I normally like using Twitter. So the Twitter account you use in participating in this campaign, please make sure to log it in on your OKX exchange app. So after you log in, then you click on connect, then you authorize. So I'm not going to use the OKX exchange app. I'm just going to log in my OKX account on this browser. But this is how you can do it. No difference with using this and using the browser. So I prefer using this. Alright guys, so I'm going to use the OKX site to perform these tasks, but there's no difference if you use the app. The app is even easy to use compared to the site, but they are all the same thing. So I just want to use this. Alright, so for you to use the okx.com, you just need to set it on desktop mode so that you can see everything. So I'm going to use this. So now I'm just going to click here. Just going to click here so that I can get to, yeah, you can see discover here. Click here. I'm going to click on Cryptopedia. Alright, so now you can see Zetachain. Click on Zetachain. Alright, click on OK. Now it's going to bring you here. Alright, you can see the same thing. Now I'm going to click on verify your account. I click on verify with Twitter. Then after logging in your Twitter account, it's going to show you something like this. Now I'm going to authorize this. So now what you need to do, okay, let me just connect my wallet. So I'm just going to connect my wallet. I'm going to set it on desktop mode. Then I can select OKX wallet. So now connect wallet. Now select OKX wallet. Alright, connect. Done. So I just connected my OKX wallet. Now I'm going to go back here. Alright guys, so you can see on the screen I just connected my OKX wallet. I can see I already have some 2 point whatever Zeta Testnet token already. So for you to get Testnet token, this is what you need to do. Make sure to join Zetachain on Discord. I'll be dropping their Discord link at the description of this video. Make sure to join Zetachain on Discord. Then you go to either your MetaMask app and copy your address, or you can copy the address from the OKS. So I'm going to copy it from the OKS. Right, I'm going to copy it here. So I'm going to copy this. Just copy this. After I copy it down, take it to Discord. Now go to Discord. Alright guys, after joining Zeta on Discord, just bring it down to the Zeta faucet and now what you need to do is to click here. Just click on faucet access. Now you click on get row. Alright, click on get row, you click here. You can use X, you can use this GitHub, you can use X, you can use, so for you to use X, which is more simpler, you click on it, then it's going to bring you here and they're going to ask you to connect your account. If you click here, please, the X account must be at least 30 days old. So you click here now, it's going to take you to your browser where you need to connect your X account to your Discord. Then they can give you access to get some faucet. Well, I'm going to use the browser version. So I'm just showing you how to use the mobile app. So I'm going to click on Zeta here. Alright, so now I'm going to click on Zeta faucet. Alright, so now I'm going to look for get access. Okay, look at it here. Alright, so you can see the same thing. I'm going to click on get link row. Alright, so they're going to show me GitHub and X. I'm going to use X. Yes, then I'm going to click here. Now let's wait for it to get connected. Yes, on desktop mode. Alright, so they are going to show you something like this. If you have to use the app, now you click on authorize app. Alright guys, so looking on the screen guys, I just authorized the app. So now I'm going to click on done. So after that, you click on finish. Alright guys, so now I can request for Zeta faucet. So now, yes, I can request for Zeta faucet. I've been granted some row. So now what you need to do for you to get Zeta faucet is to do it like this. You request for Zeta faucet drip, then you put down your address. So I'm going to put down Zeta. Okay, to make it simpler for you to understand, I'm going back to my Discord app so that you understand it. So you can see finish here. I've done everything. So it has reflected. I've successfully done it. So you come here. What you need to do is to Zeta faucet. Zeta faucet drip. Then you give space and you paste the address. Now you click send. So you need to wait for some time to get the Zetachain faucet token to your OKX wallet or your MetaMask wallet, depending on the one that you are using. So you can see it here, guys. They have sent it already. So I have like 2 points something I think before, but now I'm going to check how much do I have. Right, I'm going to click on my MetaMask wallet to check it. Alright, so I'm going to select Zeta network. Alright, go back to the OKX tax. Alright guys, so looking on the screen, then I was having like 2 point something Zeta, but now I have 5 point Zeta now. So looking on the screen, so for you to start, what you need to do is to click on this first one, ZKMe. So ZKMe is a decentralized Web3 identity oracle that leverages the power of zero knowledge proofs to enable secure, private, and anonymous credentials, insurance, and verification. Alright guys, so now what you need to do is to click on this mint omni NFT for Zeta social blah blah blah. So you click on it to show you something like this, then you click on OK. So now I'm going to set this on desktop site. So connect wallet OKX. OKX wallet is going to open. You click on connect. Now you confirm. Sorry for confirm. Now what you need to do is to click on verify now. Then you click on sign. Then your OKX wallet is going to open again. Just click on confirm. I'm going to go back again. I'll connect to X. Alright, so authorize the app. So these projects that are building under Zetachain, if you have to perform any tasks under them, they are going to give you an airdrop. So you can see we have already revived blah blah blah. Now what you need to do is to just click on mint now. So minting. So share your whatever on. Then you click on share on X. It's going to take you to your Twitter or your X. That's why I prefer using my PC. So the reason for using my mobile device is for those of you that don't have PC. I know that those that have PC, if they are to perform these tasks, it will be easier for them compared to when I use PC to explain. Then some of you are using mobile device, no. And the browser I'm using to perform these tasks is Mrs. Browser. You can download it on Play Store to use. So now you click on post. All right, done. So now I'm going to go back. Alright guys, looking on the screen, successful. Now you go back to the Zeta Cryptopedia on on OKX. Alright guys, so I've performed this task. So now I'm just going to click on verify. I'm going to click on verify. So now confirm. I'll go back here. Alright, they're going to ask for some things. Yeah, I can see it. Alright, select this, then tortoise, then band. I'm going to click OK. Done. Alright guys, so looking on the screen, task completed for the ZK me. Alright guys, so looking on the screen, quest completed, go to reward center. So if you go to reward center, you're going to see this as well. So let me just click go to reward center. Alright guys, so you're going to see, okay, click on my NFT. Nothing here, events, bonus, blah blah blah. So I'm just going to go back. Alright guys, so after performing these tasks, you can see that we have performed these tasks. It is going to disappear. So now what you need to do is to perform the lens, the edit finance, this and this. So we have just claimed reward for this. Then you just need to perform all these other tasks. So I don't want this video to be long. For you to perform these tasks, you're going to see view tutorial, get to know how you can perform the tasks. Click on view tutorial. Then you are going to see different quests under it. You can see quest 1 for the lens and borrow your omni asset, blah blah blah. You can see it for here. Then for the ED finance, you're going to see just quest 1. So once you have performed the quest, you just need to click on verify. Then you are good to go. So like I said guys, I don't want this video to be long, and in case you don't understand, you can chat me up on Telegram. Check the description of this video for my Telegram handle, and so you can see my NFT reward here also, and we have to claim 4 NFT. So please make sure to just perform these tasks. You are going to qualify for Zetachain Airdrop. You're also going to qualify for any of these projects that decide to list their own token as well. So guys, that is all for now. I would love to hear from you on what you think about this. If this video was helpful, please give it a like. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to hit on the subscription button. And this is AT Update, your friends in crypto. Thank you guys, and minimal gains to your wallet.